Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision, gesture, recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. The Unitree Go-To is an advanced robot dog that blends cutting-edge technology with remarkable agility. Designed for both novice and experienced robot enthusiasts, the Go-To offers a wide range of capabilities tailored to various skill levels. The Go-To Air model is ideal for beginners, with basic movements such as walking and running, while the Go-To Pro model is more sophisticated, featuring additional advanced gaits and increased challenge for enthusiasts seeking a deeper experience. The Key Unity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip is a practical, compact solution for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Its titanium construction ensures both strength and lightweight portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The 7-in-1 functionality includes a flashlight, which is bright enough for nighttime navigation, along with a bottle opener, screwdriver, and knife blade. Cradled in mid-air, suspended by invisible forces, this smart moon lamp by Ginkgo redefines the art of illumination. Anchored by a solid American walnut base, its weightless glow mimics the quiet grandeur of the full moon, rotating gently as if tugged by celestial rhythms. A blend of design and innovation, the lamp uses precision magnets to hover with flawless balance. No strings, no tricks, just magnetic levitation at its finest. A unique solution for pet oral care, the Orizi stress-free microcurrent toothbrush provides an innovative way to ensure your pet's teeth stay clean without the typical hassle of traditional brushing. By using gentle microcurrent technology, this toothbrush removes plaque up to 6 times more effectively than a standard brush, offering superior cleaning with minimal effort. Unlike conventional tools, it operates without vibration, noise, or irritation, making it ideal for pets who are sensitive or anxious during oral care routines. Mastering the piano is now within reach for anyone, regardless of experience. Gone are the days when learning required years of formal lessons or an expensive teacher. Today, you can quickly become proficient with smart accompaniment through an intuitive app that helps you play effortlessly, even with just one hand. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some knowledge, this innovative method allows you to play complex piano pieces with ease. Forget the noisy gas generators or lugging melting bags of ice to your campsite. The FlexTail Evo Icer is engineered for serious outdoor performance, bringing reliable ice-making power wherever your next adventure takes you. Equipped with a robust 200 watt-hour internal battery, this compact unit can churn out 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, thanks to its advanced Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. Transform your space with the Amzn S1 2-in-1 floor lamp, a powerful lighting solution designed to enhance both style and function. Standing at an impressive height of 70 inches, this versatile lamp offers 2 distinct lighting options. The 3000 lumens LED Torchiere lamp delivers bright, consistent illumination, perfect for illuminating large areas such as living rooms or bedrooms. Meanwhile, the RGB corner lamp adds a unique touch, creating vibrant lighting effects that are ideal for game rooms or spaces where you want to introduce an energetic atmosphere. From the first press of the button, the Xerasonic X responds with commanding energy, fueled by its powerful impulse motor that delivers deep, efficient cleaning without compromise. Whether you need a gentle daily refresh or a high-intensity flush, it adapts instantly with 3 intelligent modes designed to meet personal care needs with precision. Changing tasks, The easily swap nozzles feature keeps you in control. Switch effortlessly between different nozzle types for gum care, braces, or a full mouth cleanse. In a world where attention is currency, the Balance Phone redefines what a smartphone should be for your child. Engineered on the reliable Samsung A16 foundation, it delivers only what's essential. No noise, no traps, no endless scrolling. It's not just a phone, it's a healthy introduction to digital life. The Balance Phone cultivates focus, independence, and safety from the start, offering you peace of mind and your child a tool that supports, not disrupts, their development. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corleo, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corleo defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. Lightweight doesn't have to mean limited, and the foldable origami mouse proves it. Built with precision and minimalism in mind, this portable powerhouse weighs in at under 1.41 ounces, making it one of the lightest full-function mice in its category. It's designed to vanish into your travel kit or work bag with zero bulk, then snap into form with a satisfying fold for instant readiness. The Wolfang 2.0 Titanium Keychain. Lantern and pen and screwdriver is a versatile tool designed to meet everyday needs with precision and style. This multifunctional device seamlessly combines a powerful lantern, a functional pen, and a magnetic bit driver in one sleek titanium body. Weighing just a few ounces, it's an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who requires reliability in a compact form. Elevate your mobile workstation with a razor-thin, featherlight monitor system that transforms any laptop into a multitasking powerhouse. Weighing just 1.1 pounds and measuring only 4.8 millimeters thick, this 14-inch 2K monitor delivers sharp clarity with 100% sRGB color accuracy, ideal for designers, coders, analysts, and on-the-go creatives. With 5 flexible display modes, it seamlessly adapts to dual or triple screen configurations, giving you the freedom to expand your workflow wherever you are. The Toro 2-stage 26-inch 60-volt max flex force power max snowblower is designed to make clearing heavy snow easier and more efficient. This powerful electric model clears up to 30 car spaces, tackling up to 10 inches of snow with the help of 2 7.5 amp-hour batteries. Crafted with heavy-duty steel construction, it ensures durability and longevity in demanding snow removal tasks. The robust frame, housing, deflector, and chute make this blower a reliable choice for years of use. Efficiency doesn't need to be complicated. TimeFlip 2 redefines time management with a physical, intuitive approach that blends tactile simplicity and smart digital features. This polygonal time tracker is more than a gadget. It's a focus-enhancing tool designed to curb distractions and bring clarity to your day. With each flip, you engage in purposeful work, making every minute intentional. Pair TimeFlip 2 with its mobile or web app to log billable and non-billable hours automatically. No matter where the road, trail, or water leads, the Fantic X10 Cross stands ready to perform with unmatched versatility and power. Designed to adapt across countless inflation scenarios, this powerful inflator features Fantic's innovative dual pump system. It doesn't just handle car tires, it's perfect for kayaks, inflatable mattresses, sports equipment, and even vacuum storage bags. Whether you're setting up camp or prepping for the drive home, the X10 Cross is your all-in-one inflation solution. Relaxation is within reach with the Conair hands-free soothing massage device, a smart solution for relieving stress. The unique design uses innovative finger technology, mimicking natural hand movements for a deeply effective massage. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or needing a quick break, this massager offers customizable comfort with 3 adjustable speed settings. It can target areas like your neck, shoulders, lower back, and thighs, perfect for easing tension from sitting or standing too long. The Glazer Mini offers a transformative experience in the world of ice games, creating an immersive and competitive environment like no other. This innovative device from Ori Future brings a fresh approach to ice gaming, making it accessible and exciting for players of all levels. The compact size of the Glazer Mini makes it highly portable, allowing for quick setup and hassle-free play, whether you're at home or on the go. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it enhances gameplay by introducing precise controls and dynamic features that challenge even the most experienced players. When every second counts and power disruption isn't an option, the E-Tank Power Strip stands as your ultimate gaming companion. Engineered for elite setups and demanding devices, this 200-watt powerhouse charges up to 7 gadgets at once without losing speed or efficiency. Its advanced PD 3.1 fast-charging technology built on GaN architecture delivers reliable high-speed energy transfer, powering laptops, tablets, smartphones, and gaming gear in sync. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The OYO Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, this massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. From studio workshops to remote job sites, the ability to print precisely on virtually any surface is now a reality. Introducing the world's first modular inkjet printer designed to adapt to almost any material, rigid or flexible, while delivering vivid colors and crisp content. Whether you're applying an image, embedding a QR code, printing fine text, or stamping a barcode, this printer handles it all with precision. Compact yet powerful, it's engineered with modular components that swap easily. Roasting coffee at home just reached new heights. Bean Bond delivers everything you expect from a top-tier home coffee roaster. With a compact, sturdy build and intuitive operation, it transforms green beans into cafe-worthy roasts in the comfort of your kitchen. Pre-programmed with 8 expert-crafted roasting settings, Bean Bond removes the guesswork while maintaining full control for the enthusiast, ready to fine-tune every batch. Carve out your sound space without shutting out the world. Yamaha's TW-EF3A true wireless earbuds bring immersive audio in a form that stays light, open, and aware. Designed with a breezy open-type earbud structure, they rest comfortably while allowing ambient sounds to filter in. Ideal for walking, commuting, or office use where awareness matters. These aren't just about comfort. Inside each bud is Yamaha True Sound technology, delivering lifelike clarity and balance that captures every breath of your favorite track. Locked and loaded for high-stakes mobile gaming, the Absolute S9 pushes beyond the limits of average controllers. Built for iPhone 15, 16, iPad mini 6, 7, and Android devices, this full-size Bluetooth and Type-C gamepad transforms your handheld experience into console-level command. Dual Hall-effect joysticks offer precise movement control with virtually no drift, while responsive triggers ensure fast-twitch accuracy in every firefight. Precision meets presence in a headset smaller than your average smartphone. Big Screen Beyond reshapes what's possible in virtual reality with an engineering focus on size, comfort, and clarity. It weighs only 4.5 ounces and practically disappears when worn. Yet, it delivers a truly immersive experience through dual 1.3-inch micro OLED displays. each pumping out 2560 by 2560 pixels at 90 Hz. Skip the waiting game and bring gourmet dessert to your kitchen with a sleek, high-performance ice cream maker designed for instant satisfaction. In just 30 minutes, this smart compressor model churns out creamy, indulgent ice cream without any need to pre-freeze bowls or plan ahead. Whether you're feeding a family or hosting guests, it comfortably makes 6 to 10 servings per cycle, ideal for spontaneous celebrations or weekly indulgences. Sous vide cooking meets precision engineering in a compact tool built for flavor perfection. The Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0 delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results by maintaining exact water temperature, locking in natural juices, and nutrients for meat, fish, vegetables, and more. With a temperature range of 32 to 197 degrees Fahrenheit and pinpoint accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit, it takes the guesswork out of doneness. The Palmer takes the classic utility knife to the next level with a sleek, modern design and unmatched practicality. Compact and stylish, this tool fits effortlessly into your pocket, making it perfect for everyday carry. Featuring a lanyard for easy deployment, its ergonomic handle ensures comfort in hand. The Palmer is available in two distinct versions, the sturdy aluminum model and the eco-friendly Palmer Clear, crafted from 100% post-consumer recycled PCTG. The 3D Maker Pro Seal 3D scanner provides unmatched precision for users seeking high-quality, detailed models. With an industry-leading accuracy of 0.01 mm and a resolution of 0.05 mm, this scanner is designed to capture even the most intricate features, from textures to fine dents. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The ChargeUni wireless fast charger is an innovative solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed with convenience in mind, this charger allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once, making it ideal for households or offices with various smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. Its Qi 2 compatibility ensures a fast and efficient charging experience for both Apple and Samsung devices, supporting a wide range of models. Elevate your content creation with UView, a game-changing 4-in-1 tool that turns your smartphone into a professional-grade studio. This versatile device empowers you to capture breathtaking video and perfectly framed shots,